Have you ever wondered what happens when you die? It's very simple. All of your assets are going to go to probate. Now, if you have a will, that's going to make probate a little bit easier. Hopefully your kids won't fight and never speak to each other after probate. But unfortunately, the probate court is going to take between 3 to 10% of all of your net worth. If you don't have cash to cover that 3%, they're going to sell assets to cover the cost so they can put money in their pockets and profit off of your debt. Yeah, I know it's sick. Now, the second option is you get a revocable living trust, and most of those don't go to probate court, so that's better. And what's going to happen is that's going to basically distribute the assets to your heirs when you die, and then they're going to go get their own living trust. And unfortunately, if you get sued or they get sued or something happens, then the assets can be taken away. Now, the third option is an irrevocable trust. This is the strongest and the best, and it's what I use personally. This is where you're going to sell your assets to the trust, and then you're going to pass down not only the assets, but the trust, all the accounts, all the money to the next generation as successor trustees. This is where you don't go to probate, and the government and no one else gets a say in what happens to things after you die. You get to rule from the grave and decide what happens. A lot of people think irrevocable means that you lose control. Could not be more incorrect. Irrevocable is the most amount of control. So if you want to put your assets into a trust so your kids don't have to go to probate court, comment the word assets and I'll show you exactly how it's done.